Social Security Scheme for Welfare of Online Platform Workers. Gig workers of online platforms provide great dynamism to the new age services economy. Recognizing their contribution, our government will arrange for their identity cards and registration on the e-Shram portal. They will be provided healthcare under PM Jan Arogya Yojana. This measure is likely to assist nearly 1 crore gig workers.
The Institute of Professional Education and Research, Bhopal, is proud to announce an international conference, themed Indian Economy, Gig Model Powered by Artificial Intelligence, The Way Ahead. This landmark conference will bring together academicians, researchers, industry experts, policymakers, and students, from across the globe,